Okay, after much head scratching and attaching it to the oscilloscope, we have deduced that the flashing is due to the power supply. So if I test it on here, you can see that there's massive peaks and troughs coming through the power supply. So what we need to do is to find a way to reduce those peaks and troughs and smooth out the power supply, and we believe that by adding a massive capacitor to it, it should solve the problem. Okay, now you can see that the capacitor is wired in place on the positive and negative rails. Flip it over and turn the switch on, and the LEDs light up exactly how they're meant to. And on the oscilloscope, you will see that the power is a lot smoother. There's still a little peaks and trough. When it comes back on, you'll see but, it's working a lot better now. So now all I've got to do is wire the capacitor onto the right side of the board to make it all neat and tidy.